In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Kraken to another wallet. First, open the Kraken app on your device and log in to your account. Once you're inside the app, go to the Portfolio section at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll down a little until you find the Cash and Stablecoins section. Here, you should see USDT listed if you have it in your account. Tap on USDT to open it. Once you're on the USDT page, scroll a little down and, under the Balance section, tap on Withdraw because we want to send USDT to another wallet. Next, choose the network you want to use for the transfer. Here, I'm going to go with Ethereum. Now you'll need to add the wallet address where you want to send the USDT. And then add a nickname. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Kraken may also show you the minimum withdrawal amount on the screen, so make sure your amount is above that limit. Review all the details carefully, and if everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. That's how you can send USDT from Kraken to another wallet. Thanks for watching.